Today we will study about corollary of BPT theorem. According to this theorem, this corollary, if in a triangle ABC, a line D is parallel to BC, intersects AB at D and AC at E, then first result is AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AE, and second result is AB upon DB is equals to AC upon EC. In this figure we see that according to this corollary, if ABC is a triangle and a line DE is parallel to BC, this line is parallel to this line BC, DE intersects AB at D and AC at E, then we have to prove that AB means this complete side upon AD is equals to AC upon AE, and second result is AB upon DB, AB upon DB, AB upon DB, AB upon DB is equals to AC upon EC. Now we see that in triangle ABC, according to BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, we know that if a line is drawn parallel to a side of triangle, then it intersects the other sides in the same ratio. Means if DE is parallel to BC, then by BPT theorem we know that AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. This is the result of BPT theorem, and we have to prove that AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AE. The difference in these two results are, here is AB and here is DB, and the same thing is here is AD and here is also AD. So we have to remove the DB and we have to put here the value of DB in the terms of AB and AD. So we can remove the DB. According to this figure, we see that the DB, this segment in figure, DB is equals to AB minus AD, and here we see that the EC is equals to AC minus AE. Now we put the value of these equations in the first equation. By first and second we put the value of DB is equals to AB minus AD, AD upon AB minus AD, AB minus AD is equals to AE upon, we put the value EC, is equals to AC minus AE. AE. And we take the reciprocal of this equation. Now we take reciprocal of 3 AB minus AD is AB minus AD upon AD is equals to AC minus AE upon AE. And now we divide both these terms by AD and both these terms by AE. We get, this implies that AB upon AD minus AD upon AD is equals to AC upon AE minus AE upon AE. It implies that AB upon AD minus 1 is equals to AC upon AE minus 1. It implies that minus 1 in the both sides is cancelled, or if we transpose minus 1 in the right hand side, then it will become plus, and it is minus, then both the one are cancelled. So we get AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AE. And again we take reciprocal of this equation, then we get this AB is equals to AC upon EC. Again we see in the figure, by the BPT theorem or by the first equation, by equation first we have AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. AE upon EC. And now here we have to prove that AB upon DB is equal to AC upon EC. And we see the difference in these two results. Here the same thing is, here is DB and here is DB. Here is EC and here is also EC. And the difference is, here is AB and here is AD. Here AC and here AE. So we have to remove here AD and here AE. And we put it here the value of AD in the terms of AB and DB. And here we put the value of AE in the terms of AC and EC. For this work, we see in the figure, and we get by this figure the value of AD is equals to AD is equals to AB minus DB. And the value of EC, this EC, the value of AE, because we want to remove this, value of AE is equals to AC minus EC, AC minus EC. Equation number 4 and this 5. By the equation 4 and 5 we put the value of AD and AE at here. Replace AD by the AB minus DB. AB minus dB upon dB equals to, we replace the value of AE by the AC minus EC, AC minus EC upon EC, and we divide both these terms by dB. We get AB upon dB minus dB upon dB equals to AC upon EC minus EC upon EC. Here these are cancel out and we get 1 both the sides, and that will cancel, so we get AB upon dB equals to AC upon EC. Again we say that dB and dB cancel out and it will become 1. It will also become 1, and transpose the 1 in the right hand side, this will become positive, this one is negative, cancel out, and we get this result, which is our second result. Therefore we have proved this result.